Casey.
Mr. Chairman?
Senator Romney.
Yes, I have enjoyed working with Senator Casey and his team, and also with the chairman and the ranking member on this legislation. It is an extensive piece of legislation, and it is designed to put in place some of the learning that we have as a result of the failures of our response to disasters, whether it was the pandemic or other natural disasters which have occurred. It's not perfect. I'm sure we'll have new lessons to learn as well. But I'm very pleased with a number of things. One, cutting off funding for research in China, particularly for gain-of-function research. I appreciate for the new focus on public-private partnerships. Appreciate the fact that we're giving states more flexibility to respond to natural disasters and to call in federal resources on a more accelerated basis. There are a number of things that are very much steps forward. I'm particularly pleased that we're going to have a better data collection system. I think a lot of us were frustrated that the only way we could get good data on COVID statistics was by going to Johns Hopkins. You'd think that maybe the CDC would have good data, but it didn't. So a number of these things we're trying to address in this legislation. I would note that while the four names I've mentioned as being associated with helping craft this legislation, I have failed to mention the fact that it is the staff that did 99% of the work. And they spent a lot of hours, a lot of sleepless nights. And I appreciate the great work on the part of my staff and the staff of the other members of this working team. It's been an extensive process. I think it's a step forward. I'm sure there are things we will wish we would have done better, but this, I believe, is an effort, a fair effort to learn from the experiences of the past. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.